Hi, everybody. This is Mary. I am Mary, the Pittsburgh artist, and this is my studio. I have a nice wall backdrop here. I just wanted to update my info section. I'm offering everyone free art classes, and I hope that you stop by when I'm presenting something. Either I do a live or do a recording, whichever I decide that particular day. And I also have been doing some interviews with different artists in the Pittsburgh area, as well as other people around the country for a team build collaboration. Um, team build is a person. Her name is Geo Monroe, and she does some really great things for people on YouTube. And um, she's helped me a lot as far as growing my channel. So, what I've used different products. I use a lot of different products, and I basically teach acrylics on this channel. Sometimes I'll go into pastel or oil, but it's very rare because acrylics dry faster. And my products consist of different varieties. Right now, I've been using a lot of Master's Touch products. My brushes, I get Master's Touch. It can be versatile. I don't stick by one product all the time. I've also been doing some mixed media, which I belong to a couple collaborations that do things every month, and sometimes I try to do something with them. I also do another one that's every Tuesday if I can do that. So I kind of keep myself busy. I'm retired and I like to dabble in the paints. I have a degree. I have 2 degrees, actually. I have a bachelor's in business, and I have a master's in public management. And when I took my business classes, I almost minored in art. But because I wanted to get to work, I was a single parent. I wanted to get to work so I could take care of my girls. I decided to just forego that, and I took some classes at a community college. So I figure I have my associate's degree in art. I've been involved in different groups. It's around Pittsburgh. I belonged to Pittsburgh Society of Illustrators. I'm also Pittsburgh Society of Artists. I belong to that right now. I belong to the Whitehall group of artists. And I've been on exhibit throughout the city. Nothing like it was just through my groups that I belong to that I exhibited. And it's been fun. I don't exhibit too much anymore because I focus more on trying to teach people how to paint. That is my goal, to be able to bring free classes to people to learn how to do this art. And it's just been enjoyable. I really enjoy it. I mean, where can you get a free class? But I do ask that you belong to my Patreon. Right now, I have a thing going where I'm trying to find out what you would like to become a patron. At first, I was kind of going with the stickers, but then everybody does those. So I thought maybe a critique of some sort to join, or possibly a free painting every month, depending on what level you are at. So you might want to check that out. I'll have the links. I have the links, I believe, right alongside my video. So I don't want to go any further on this, but I just wanted to introduce myself, and glad that you could stop by and check out my channel. I have so many things going on here, and I hope you really enjoy it. Thanks again. Bye-bye.